Good afternoon, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Our latest crafter to preview today. This one is the latest 2025 model. It's the medium wheelbase Commerce Plus. It's the 4Motion, yes, 4Motion, 4-wheel drive version. It's brand new, 25 delivery mileage, and it's in a very bespoke pure grey. Now that colour is a special factory order, so I believe there's none about in the UK in this colour at present. Okay, so it's had our full MASV styling and more, this one. So we've gone to extended styling with the side panels around the side marker lenses, all colour coded as well, so it does really look fantastic. High specification as normal, but I'll just run around the outside of the vehicle to start with. So it's had all this gloss black detailing to the grille, gloss and matte badging, gloss around the front of the bumper section and around the front fog lights. That's the first additional factory option. It's got what we call the LED daytime running lights and headlights, very expensive option that one. Front and rear park sensors, they're all standard on this top of the range model. It's got the gloss black mirrors and the gloss black surrounds. It's got the 20-inch velour alloys, so all gloss black alloys. Apologies for the road noise. Fortunately, I can't get the vehicle inside our showroom with it being a high roof. So basically, we've colour coded the vehicle fully and smoked the side marker lenses as well. As you imagine, the vehicle's brand new, delivery mileage registered to us, so as new condition. So moving around the rear, we've got the smoked tail light lens, and we've fully colour coded the rear bumper, the strips, number plates around, door handles. Really fully colour coded. This vehicle looks fantastic. Badging, of course, to match the front. We've done the crafter badge as well. Now, another factory option on this one is the rear camera as well. It's really nice on these 20-inch alloys. Now, we haven't fitted any side steps on this one, so you've got a choice. Some of our customers recently have wanted the side bars instead of steps, so you've got a choice of either black side bars or black side steps, whichever you prefer, fit into the vehicle. Also, we've got wind deflectors and a rear bumper protector if required. Let's open the side loading door. So there we go. Steel bulkhead, handle to get in, Wisertech flooring, and the all important LED interior lights. Just go around the back and open the rear doors. So this has got what we call the 270 hinge rear doors. So basically, if you wanted to load a pallet, the doors will go fully round to the side of the vehicle. Same with the near side door. All you do is unhook the hinge, really simple, and then that door will go right round to the side of the vehicle and gives you great access. Everybody asks what these are magnets on the side of the vehicle for. Basically they hold the rear doors out so you don't get any damage. Okay, so moving down this near side again. Got the single comfort seat, dual passenger seat, passenger airbag, the new infotainment system, leather multifunction steering wheel. Just move in here. They'll have the all-important differential lock. So a lot of people order these 4Motion vehicles. Quite an expensive option, roughly about £750, but we order all our 4Motion four-wheel drives with the mechanical diff lock. Looks superb in this pure grey. I'll just climb into the cabin, just show you. There we are. Lumbar support, adjustable seat, automatic headlights. These new models, 2025 model, have a column gear change, multifunction steering wheel, so cruise control, etc. New digital dashboard. Turn that on, there you go, digital dashboard. New infotainment screen, so it's got all your Apple CarPlay, everything wireless, all built into there. There we go, Google Maps, if you've got it, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can text, it's all voice activated. You've also got heated seats on this one, heated windscreen, heated steering wheel. So great specification. Also, I forgot to mention the new ones are push button start, so don't have to turn a key or anything in the ignition. Comes with the remainder of the 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, 3 years Volkswagen roadside assistance as well. There we go, Crafter 2525, brand new, delivery mileage, 4Motion, 177ps, automatic, and available for immediate delivery. Commerce Plus model, so highest specification you can get, plus a list of additional factory options we've specified. Any questions, give myself Chris a call on 07888 989877 or on our website www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Give myself Chris a call. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.